Here's how to reset your Samsung Smart TV to factory settings, and then showing you also how to set up with your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone on the SmartThings app, so you can use your phone as a remote. So you will be going to settings and then general, and you will go from general, you will find the reset button or reset. So you all you need to do is click the reset, and it will reset your TV to its original settings, your factory settings. And there's a pin there. If you haven't changed it, actually it doesn't give you an option, so it's a 000, and then it will tell you all the settings will return to factory default. And then it will ask you again if you want to proceed to reset. All settings will return to the factory default. So don't do this, because you'll if you want to do this, you have to remember all the passwords and logins of the apps that you have entered in your TV, because it will all have to reset, and it's gonna take like less than 5 minutes. So it's gonna be fast, depending on your internet connection. But it was pretty fast. I didn't wait too long, so that's 18% right away, and then I waited, and then now it's up to 42%, and it's done. So once it's done, it gives you two options, okay? So the options is to use your remote or the smartphone, which is quick and easy. So here's how to do it with your smartphone setup. So you can either scan the QR code, or on your phone, like I am using an Android phone, which is the Samsung Flip 6. So with Samsung, you are gonna use the SmartThings app, which I typed in on the Google Play, and I actually have it already. So I'll just have to open it. But that's the SmartThings app. So you will just open it, and then on the SmartThings app, it will give you instruction. So you will hit continue, and it's just gonna ask you about permissions and what you allow for the app to do. So permissions: phone, contacts, physical activity. So as long as you agree on what it's asking you to agree for, you can just hit agree or continue, and then it's also gonna ask for your location. So I usually would just allow it while I'm using the app. If you actually say don't allow, it's gonna get you to the settings, because you will need it to be able to set up your TV, your Samsung TV. So as soon as you're in, you are gonna see prompts in your phone and on the Smart Things app um, regarding your smart TV. So right away we found the TV, so it's gonna say the TV number, the 1643 that is on the TV screen as well, which is Samsung TV 1643. So you're gonna just click on that. Basically it's easy, like you just follow the prompts, click on that, and then hit next. It's gonna say add device to use at your this location. So you hit next, and then it's gonna say connecting to device or connecting to source, which you will also you will also see it on the TV. So it's you're doing the right thing, or you're connecting to your phone, and TV is connected because you can see both has the same message. And then on the TV it says setting up via SmartThings, and on your phone it will just have you again do to agree to all. You can do a quick browse on it if you need to, but it's just their general agreement for adding that app. And then it will tell you that it's being added to SmartThings, so your screen is being added to SmartThings. So this is the the app on Android phones. You can add several devices or device to your SmartThings app, and this one is the first one that I added, which is just the Smart TV Samsung. It will tell you that you're doing the right thing. It says success, and then you'll just have to change the location. So, and then hit next, and then it's gonna download the setup of your TV, and it will tell you what's being downloaded, and you're gonna just need to agree to it. Hit agree and then next, and then hit the next again. So it's just keep everything that matters after you finish setting up TV. It's basically just instructions because you're setting up your TV under the SmartThings app. So there is supposed to be a SmartThings remote, smart remote. I don't have that yet, but right now we are gonna set this up with this phone. So it's gonna ask for a zip code. I don't have to. I skipped that one. You can set it up without adding your zip code, and then you just hit yes, and then you are able to select apps that you can add to your TV. So right now, I'm not adding the apps yet. It's You're just gonna hit next because that's what you're supposed to do. And then, so right now it was asking me to add Spotify. I'm gonna hit skip on that because I'm not adding apps right now. I just want to install this app and show you how it is done to the phone. So once the app is installed, it will actually ask you to register the product. So I had to hide the top part because it has the information. But yeah, you can do read more, and just do a quick read on the product registration, and then you can hit back from there. Because there's no next button, so you're gonna hit back so you can go back to the previous settings. So it says now it's all done, it's enjoy your Samsung TV. So when you hit done, you're done setting up that TV on your SmartThings app on your Android phone. Now it's going to show you that you can actually use this phone as a remote. This is the model number for my Samsung. I will put that in the very beginning. But on your phone, you're going to have that remote button, and then what apps are in there. So I'm going to do a separate video for using this phone as a remote. But this is just a quick view of how to add that app. And here's that remote that I still use. The remote will always work even if you have the smart remote. And then this one is going back to the TV. It's just showing that because I accidentally click on a button on the phone remote. But here's just a quick view of what is installed after you reset your Samsung TV. So these are the default apps right now. I'm not gonna go deeper into the apps, but this is what it shows for when you do a quick reset on your TV. So basically this is just your TV reset, and then set up to use your Android phone as a remote. So basically you are there at the general. That's where we went to reset. And also I'm just quickly showing you because I need to see the model number. So you go to the settings and you go to your device name, is where you can see the model number. So this is the Samsung TU6985 78-inch TV.